You don't need a real estate license, a huge budget, or even to own a property to start making money in real estate. That's right. You can earn cash just by referring properties or buyers to the right platforms. Whether you have friends looking to sell fast or followers curious about investing, this simple strategy can bring you side income without the headaches of ownership. In today's video, I'm breaking down 5 legit websites that pay you for real estate referrals. No experience necessary. You'll learn exactly how to start earning income by simply sharing a link, sending a lead, or connecting the right people to the right deals. This is Roof to Riches, where we turn real estate knowledge into real wealth, no matter where you're starting from. If you want to build wealth smartly, subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on fresh real estate and wealth building tips every single week. Let's kick off with Sunday.com, a unique platform that connects investors with homeowners who need to sell off-market properties, often distressed or in tough situations like foreclosure or divorce. What makes Sunday special is their referral program that pays you for sending qualified seller leads. Here's how it works. You simply identify motivated sellers, people who want to sell their home quickly but don't want to go through the traditional listing process. These could be folks downsizing, facing financial challenges, or dealing with inherited properties they want to move on from fast. Once you submit their info to Sunday, and if the deal closes, you earn up to $1,000 or more per referral, without needing a license or having to negotiate. No selling required. Your job is just to connect the dots between sellers and investors. It's an accessible way to start making money in real estate without owning property or taking on risks. Pro tip: check local foreclosure lists, community groups, or social media to find potential sellers. These platforms are full of motivated homeowners who would jump at the chance for a fast sale, and you get rewarded for helping them out. Next up is Realtor.com's Ready Connect Concierge program, a referral service that pays you for sending buyer or seller leads to licensed real estate agents through Realtor.com's network. While it's primarily aimed at agents, savvy marketers and affiliates leverage this to earn commission-based referral fees. Here's the deal. Referral fees typically range between 25% to 35% of the agent's commission. That means if an agent closes a sale worth $300,000, your cut could be anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 or more per referral. You don't need to license yourself. You simply connect people interested in buying or selling with trusted local agents on Realtor.com. This method is ideal if you have connections or run online communities, websites, or social media pages where people seek real estate advice or services. It's also perfect for building a lead generation business around real estate. Pro tip: form partnerships with local agents to get updates on their availability and promote their services through content, email campaigns, or neighborhood events. That way, you can steadily grow your referral income stream. Roofstock.com offers a fantastic opportunity for those interested in real estate investing without managing properties themselves. Roofstock specializes in turnkey rental homes, single-family houses that already have tenants paying rent. This marketplace allows investors to buy properties hassle-free, and you can earn commissions by referring buyers. Roofstock's referral program lets you share a unique link with your audience or network. When someone uses your link to buy a property, you earn a commission starting at around $1,000 per closed deal. It's an excellent fit for finance bloggers, real estate influencers, or anyone with an audience interested in passive income and long-term wealth building through real estate. You can leverage Roofstock's extensive blog and educational content to create value-driven posts, videos, or newsletters that educate your audience on investment strategies. This trust building helps increase conversion rates when you include your referral links. Pro tip: produce content around topics like why invest in turnkey rentals or how to buy your first rental property. Then naturally embed your Roofstock referral links for passive income. Fundrise is a game changer in democratizing real estate investing. It allows anyone to start investing with as little as $10, opening the door for people who want to grow wealth without the hassle of buying physical property. Fundrise also offers an affiliate program where you get paid for each sign-up and additional commissions based on how much your referrals invest. You don't have to be a real estate expert to succeed here. Just share how easy it is to get started with Fundrise and why it's a trusted platform for real estate crowdfunding. This makes it a perfect affiliate program for creators focusing on side hustles, financial freedom, or passive income strategies. Whether you make YouTube videos, TikTok clips, blog posts, or newsletters, explaining Fundrise's benefits can inspire signups. The platform's low minimum investment and diversified portfolios appeal to a broad audience, making your referrals more likely to convert. Pro tip: use simple success stories or explainers that break down how Fundrise works. Then place your affiliate link in descriptions or calls to action to build steady income. AirDNA is an essential resource for anyone interested in Airbnb or short-term rental investing. It provides in-depth analytics on occupancy rates, rental income potential, seasonality, and local competition, helping hosts and investors make informed decisions. AirDNA's affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring new customers or subscribers who sign up through your unique link. If you create content for Airbnb hosts, real estate investors, or travel enthusiasts, this is a fantastic way to monetize your influence. Pair your affiliate link with educational content like best cities for Airbnb investment or how to maximize Airbnb rental income to attract clicks and signups naturally. Your audience benefits from actionable data while you earn commissions without any hard selling. Pro tip: use social media reels, blog posts, or video tutorials that highlight key Airbnb trends and plug your AirDNA referral link to maximize conversions and passive income. Want to scale up your earnings? Build a simple real estate referral funnel. Create content or social posts around topics like how to invest in real estate or sell your home fast. Add your referral or affiliate links in descriptions or pinned comments. Capture emails by offering a free guide or checklist, then nurture your list with more resources and referrals. You're not just earning commissions. You're building a trusted digital real estate brand that can grow over time. Real estate isn't just for landlords or agents anymore. These 5 websites let you make money from referrals and partnerships. No license, no owning property required. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to grab your free referral tracker template in the description to organize your links and leads easily. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to turn their connections into cash. Only on Roof to Riches.